Cavitar Welding Camera is used on many applications, one of which is robotized welding. At the other side of the hall at Nordic Welding Expo and at our partner's booth, we get to see a demo of Proweld Cobot welding station combined with Cavitar Welding Camera C400. One of the major problems of today is the shortage of skilled welders, and this is where this innovative partnership provides immense value. Benefits are consistent precision welds, remote live viewing with crystal clear details, prioratizing operator safety and ergonomics, increasing productivity, reducing costs, and providing quality documentation. Cavitar Welding Camera is designed, engineered, and manufactured in Finland.